Hello viewers, today I have come up with a very new and easy tutorial which is how to highlight the subject from this background. So for the first I am going to make 2 copies of this background layer. And now we need to select this subject and to separate the subject from this background. Therefore I am taking quick selection tool to select this subject. You can take any other selection tool, but make sure the selection is more accurate. So now the selection is done. Now I am going for the refine edge. Therefore, I am clicking on select and mask and taking refine edge brush tool. Now brushing the outer edge of this selection and give a little bit feather. So the selection is done, we can see here. Now we need to reduce the brightness of this background. Therefore I am going to previous layer and taking a new adjustment layer which is brightness and contrast and reducing the brightness around 70%. Now see here, the background is much highlighted than before. So what can we do now? We can add some vignette effect here. Therefore I am taking a new layer and taking brush tool and giving the foreground color totally black. Now just brush on all over the artboard, all over the image. Now take the layer mask for this layer and take again the brush tool and give the foreground color black and press on the middle of this artboard. Now reposition it carefully as you need. Now we can reduce the opacity a little bit. So here it's almost done, but we can make it more professional by taking another adjustment layer which is exposure. Now open the adjustment layer exposure and give the offset around positive 0.0167. I think it looks okay for this image. So this is all about today's tutorial. Now let's check what was before and what is now. This was before and this is now. I think this is much more professional than before. So if you have enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please liking and commenting on my videos so that I will be encouraged to make more videos. Thank you.